Looking for a mirrorless camera but not sure where to start? What if I told you the perfect option might be more affordable than you think? You don't need to spend thousands to get a mirrorless camera that delivers stunning quality. Let's just start and see what's the 5 cameras are the best and what's best for you. All the links in the description as well to buy any camera. Sony a7 III. Don't let its position fool you. This camera is a powerhouse that continues to deliver exceptional value for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The a7 III boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, providing stunning image quality with excellent dynamic range and low light performance. Its 693-point phase detection autofocus system is still one of the most capable on the market, ensuring your subjects stay tack sharp whether you're shooting stills or video. Speaking of video, the a7 III offers 4K recording at 30 frames per second, with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. This means you'll capture highly detailed footage that stands up to the demands of modern content creation. One of the standout features of the a7 III is its impressive battery life, rated at up to 710 shots per charge. This longevity is a game changer for photographers who need to shoot all day without constantly swapping batteries. The camera's ergonomics have been refined over previous models, with a comfortable grip and intuitive button layout. Dual SD card slots provide peace of mind for critical shoots, while the tilting touchscreen adds versatility to your shooting angles. While newer models have since been released, the a7 III remains a compelling option in 2024 due to its balance of features, performance, and price. It's a camera that can grow with you, equally at home shooting landscapes, portraits, or events. For those looking to step into the world of full-frame mirrorless without breaking the bank, the Sony a7 III continues to be an excellent choice. Next up on our list of top budget mirrorless cameras for 2025 is the Sony a6000. Despite being an older model, this camera continues to punch well above its weight class, offering incredible value for both beginners and enthusiasts. The a6000 features a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering sharp, detailed images with excellent color reproduction. Its hybrid autofocus system, with 179 phase detection points and 25 contrast detection points, remains impressively fast and accurate, even by today's standards. One of the standout features of the a6000 is its continuous shooting speed of up to 11 frames per second with autofocus tracking. This makes it an excellent choice for capturing fast-moving subjects, whether you're into sports photography or want to catch your kids' soccer games. For video enthusiasts, the a6000 offers full HD recording at 60 frames per second. While it doesn't have 4K capabilities, the quality of its 1080p footage is still more than adequate for most users' needs. The camera's compact size is another major selling point. Its small form factor makes it an ideal travel companion, easily fitting into a jacket pocket or small bag. Despite its size, it maintains a comfortable grip and a logical button layout for easy operation. The a6000's electronic viewfinder is bright and responsive, providing a clear view of your composition even in bright sunlight. The tilting LCD screen adds versatility to your shooting angles, though it's worth noting it's not a touchscreen. What really sets the a6000 apart in 2025 is its incredible value for money. As newer models have been released, the price of the a6000 has dropped significantly, making it an absolute bargain for its capabilities. It's a perfect entry point into the world of mirrorless cameras, offering features and image quality that can satisfy even more experienced photographers. In conclusion, the Sony a6000 proves that sometimes older technology can still hold its own. Its combination of image quality, speed, and affordability makes it a standout choice for those looking to get the most bang for their buck in the mirrorless camera market. Moving on to our next budget-friendly mirrorless marvel, we have the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. This compact powerhouse proves that good things indeed come in small packages, offering a blend of style, performance, and versatility that's hard to beat in its price range. The EM10 Mark IV boasts a 20-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor, which, while smaller than APS-C or full-frame sensors, delivers surprisingly good image quality. Olympus's renowned color science shines through, producing vibrant, true-to-life colors that require minimal post-processing. One of the standout features of this camera is its in-body image stabilization IBIS system. With up to 4.5 stops of stabilization, you can shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds and still achieve sharp images. This is a game changer for low-light photography and videography. Speaking of video, the EM10 Mark IV offers 4K recording at 30 frames per second, allowing you to capture high-quality footage for your vlogs or family memories. The flip-down touchscreen is perfect for selfies and vlogging, making this an excellent choice for content creators on a budget. Autofocus performance is snappy and reliable, with 121 contrast detection points covering most of the frame. While not as advanced as some higher-end models, it's more than capable for everyday shooting scenarios. The retro-inspired design isn't just about looks, it's also highly functional. Despite its small size, the camera feels comfortable in hand, with well-placed controls that are easy to navigate. The electronic viewfinder is bright and clear, providing a faithful representation of your scene. For beginners, the EM10 Mark IV offers a range of auto modes and in-camera tutorials to help you get started. As your skills grow, you can dive into more advanced features and manual controls, making this a camera that can grow with you. One of the advantages of the Micro Four Thirds system is the vast array of available lenses. From ultra-wide angles to super telephotos, you'll find high-quality glass to suit any shooting situation without breaking the bank. In 2025, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV remains a compelling option for those seeking a budget-friendly mirrorless camera that doesn't compromise on features or image quality. Its combination of compact size, in-body stabilization, and versatile performance makes it an excellent choice for travel photography, everyday shooting, and content creation. Securing the second spot on our list of best budget mirrorless cameras for 2025 is the impressive Canon EOS R10. This APS-C sensor powerhouse brings many of Canon's high-end features to a more accessible price point, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and aspiring professionals alike. At the heart of the EOS R10 is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, paired with Canon's latest Digi-C X processor. This combination delivers stunning image quality with excellent color reproduction, dynamic range, and low-light performance that rivals many full-frame cameras. One of the standout features of the R10 is its autofocus system. Inheriting technology from Canon's pro-level cameras, it offers 651 autofocus points with dual-pixel CMOS AF2. This system is incredibly fast and accurate, capable of tracking subjects across the frame with ease. It also includes advanced subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles, making it a versatile tool for various shooting scenarios. Video capabilities are another area where the R10 shines. It can capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K for exceptional detail. For slow-motion enthusiasts, it also offers Full HD recording at up to 120 frames per second. The addition of Canon Log 3 allows for greater flexibility in post-production color grading. The EOS R10 doesn't skimp on speed either. It can shoot up to 15 frames per second with its mechanical shutter and an impressive 23 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This makes it an excellent choice for sports and wildlife photography, where capturing the perfect moment is crucial. Despite its advanced features, the R10 remains user-friendly. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes shooting from creative angles a breeze, while the electronic viewfinder provides a clear and lag-free view of your scene. The camera's compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel or all-day shooting sessions. As part of Canon's RF mount system, the R10 has access to a growing lineup of high-quality lenses. While designed for APS-C sensors, it's also compatible with Canon's full-frame RF lenses, providing a clear upgrade path for the future. In 2025, the Canon EOS R10 represents exceptional value in the mirrorless market. It brings many features typically found in more expensive cameras to a budget-friendly price point without compromising on image quality or performance. Whether you're upgrading from a smartphone or a DSLR, the R10 offers a perfect blend of accessibility and advanced features that will help elevate your photography to the next level. And now, we've reached our top pick for the best budget mirrorless camera of 2024, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. This versatile powerhouse has taken the content creation world by storm, offering a perfect blend of image quality, video capabilities, and user-friendly features at an unbeatable price point. At the core of the ZV-E10 is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, paired with Sony's powerful BioNZ-X image processor. This combination delivers stunning image quality with excellent color reproduction, impressive dynamic range, and strong low-light performance. Whether you're shooting stills or video, the results are consistently impressive. Where the ZV-E10 truly shines is in its video capabilities. It can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second, oversampled from 6K for exceptional detail and clarity. The camera also offers unlimited recording time, meaning you can capture long takes without worrying about overheating or time limits. One of the standout features for vloggers and content creators is the fully articulating touchscreen. This allows for easy framing of selfies and vlogging shots, while also providing flexibility for high and low angle shooting. The inclusion of a high-quality built-in directional 3-capsule microphone ensures clear audio capture, with the option to add an external mic for even better sound. The ZV-E10's autofocus system is nothing short of impressive. With 425 phase detection points covering 84% of the image area, it offers fast and accurate focusing, even in challenging lighting conditions. The real-time eye AF and real-time tracking features are game changers for keeping your subjects sharp and in focus. Sony has included several features specifically designed for content creators. The product showcase setting automatically shifts focus from your face to an object held up to the camera, perfect for product reviews or unboxing videos. The background defocus function allows you to quickly switch between a blurred and sharp background without changing your aperture settings. Despite its advanced features, the ZV-E10 remains incredibly user-friendly. The simplified button layout and intuitive menu system make it easy for beginners to get started, while more advanced users will appreciate the customization options available. As part of Sony's E-mount system, the ZV-E10 has access to a vast array of lenses, from affordable options to high-end glass. This flexibility allows the camera to grow with you as your skills and needs evolve. In 2024, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 stands out as the top choice for budget-conscious photographers and content creators. It offers a perfect balance of image quality, video capabilities, and creator-focused features at a price point that's hard to beat. Whether you're just starting your content creation journey or looking to upgrade your gear without breaking the bank, the ZV-E10 delivers exceptional value and performance, earning its spot as our #1 budget mirrorless camera of the year. So whether you're a beginner, an enthusiast, or a content creator, there's a camera on this list that'll fit your needs and budget. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.